Hello friends, this is Utkarsh Anil Dafe from YCC College ETC Department 2nd year. My project is Smart Branch Stick. This is a task which is given by Team Patlasa. Let's see how to make it. We require Arduino Mega, one ultrasonic sensor, one IR sensor, one buzzer, one vibrating motor, some jumper wires, and one breadboard. Connect trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor to pin number 3 and echo pin to pin number 2. And output of IR sensor connect to pin number 4. Now take two jumper wires, connect one to 5V VCC and another to ground. Attach 5V VCC to plus and ground to negative. Now connect 5 VCC and ground of ultrasonic to plus and minus. And now connect VCC and ground of IR sensor to VCC and ground of board. Now connect buzzer, red wire to pin number 13, black to ground. Now take motor, attach to breadboard. Connect it one pin to pin number 12 and another pin to ground. This is our complete circuit.
For this project, I have used this circuit diagram. This is buzzer, vibrating motor, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and Arduino Uno. I have used Arduino Mega. The negative wire of this buzzer is connected to pin number 13 and, black wire to ground. The red wire of vibrating motor is connected to pin number 12 and black wire to ground. For IR sensor, the out pin output pin is connected to pin number 4 and VCC connected to 5V VCC and ground to ground. For ultrasonic sensor, trigger pin is connected to pin number 3 and echo pin is connected to pin number 2. When VCC is connected to VCC and ground is connected to ground. This is our circuit diagram.
Now let's see code for this project.
For this project, I have used this code. First, I have defined all the pins. Then here, given the pin mode to them. To store the output of IR sensor, we have used this variable status sensor, which stores the output of IR sensor. To calculate distance, we have used this formula. Distance is equal to duration upon 2 divided by 29.1. If the distance is less between 80 cm and 40 cm, the motor will be turned on with delay of 50 microsecond. If the distance is less than 40 cm, both the motor and buzzer will turn on with delay of 50 microsecond. If IR sensor sends any object, it sends 0. If 0 is sent, then buzzer will be high and it will turn on. And if there is no object in front of it, it will send 1 and buzzer will be at low condition. Now let's upload the code to our board. Now first select your board. I am using Arduino Mega, so I have selected Arduino Mega and then select the board. Then click on upload button. It will first compile the code. Now it's uploading and uploading is done.
Now Let's see the working of our project. This is our ultrasonic sensor. This is our IR sensor. If object is near to IR sensor, it will detect and our buzzer will turn on. This is our ultrasonic sensor. If object is between 80 and 40 centimeter, see, you can see the vibrating motor is rotating. And the object is close to it. Both motor and vibrating motor is rotating. Our project is working properly. Now let's connect these components to our stick. This is our blind stick. This is IR sensor. This is Arduino Mega ultrasonic sensor. Our buzzer, toggle switch. And here is vibrating motor. Let's check it now. It's on. If any object is there, nearby object, it's vibrating. If we go closer, it starts blinking.